Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today we're going to look at another After Effects tutorial. Alright, today we're going to look at kerning, which is basically in simpler terms is when you adjust the space between two characters. Alright, so the characters would be the letters. So it's the spacing between the letters. Alright, so let me just come off here. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to select the text that you want to make the adjustment on. You're going to go over to the characters panel. You're going to click on it, and then right here where you see VA with the double-sided arrow, and this is the option you will change in order to affect the spacing between the letters or the characters. All right, so if you scroll down, you can see that the letters are getting smaller, or the characters or the space between the letters gets smaller. But if you scroll up, you realize the space between the letters or the characters gets bigger. So this is what it pretty much is. All right, and bear in mind that every option in After Effects can be animated. All right, so every single thing in After Effects can be animated. So you can animate this effect of you changing the kerning of the text. All right, so thank you so much. Please remember to like, comment, and also subscribe. All right, take care.